What's going on? Y'all about to send this link out. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, YouTube. Let's connect. There we go. Oh, cool. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Oops. What's going on, Mr. Nobody? I see you up in here. What's going on, Smokey? Didn't take any trades last night or yesterday. Price was just pretty much dead and slow. Kind of like we talked about in the London session live. I'm going to be going live with the members today and tomorrow during the New York news. Again, we didn't really have anything go on yesterday. But today at 8:30, we got USD news. 10 a.m., we got USD news as well. And then tomorrow, we have at 8:30 Canadian news to end the week. And then again, next week is the new month. And of course, new week starts. And the last week and first week of the month, always the toughest weeks to trade because we always have a bunch of reports coming out, but also we always have like a lot of consolidation or slowness like we see right now. Again, if you compare it to the last week of last month, the last week of the month before that. So once the first weeks, you'll see a lot of similarities. And then we look at the charts, you'll see a lot of similarities of what's taking place as well, which we'll go over later on during the stream. But you guys already know the drill. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. I'm looking at your chart, drop them in the chat. We're looking at a possible gold sell right here. Didn't break this level. We was talking about this during yesterday's live, but again, this was when New York session started, rejected a level, 12 o'clock, rejected a level, then last finally broke and held this as resistance. I was doing a retest. So gold could continue to hold this level as resistance. And sales going to 23.18 and a possible 2300. So that's what we're looking for right now. All right, we got this level of traffic, but we can break past this level of traffic. We can see a nice lower low get made, which is what we're going to be looking for right here. We also see some reverses coming into play with the indices as well as GU. So again, we're going to be watching today as well as the London session live to see how price reacts to the next level. And then again, we have some reversals taking place here with GN. Again, when we look at this week, we look to Wednesday and then today. Again, price has been struggling to break past and hold this low as resistance. So again, the price is just ranging and rejecting over and over again. Not too much we can do about that. You know what I'm saying? Go retest this level. We got a couple minutes to 5 minute pops up. Just dropped a new video yesterday for y'all. If y'all have not checked it out yet, make sure to check that out. I'm gonna drop that in the chat right now. Playlists are up. Everything's up to date. I'm gonna drop that in the chat. Does it work on crypto too? You're talking about your comment that I saw you left like about 15 minutes ago on the videos. Yes, everything I teach works on everything. Works on crypto, options, stocks, indices, forex. I don't just teach a trading strategy. I teach how to read the charts. These are the rules that anything with candlesticks works. Well, this is how all candlesticks, all charts work, and how all candlesticks, how all charts move. And again, if you explore the channel, I drop weekly Bitcoin updates. This week's Bitcoin update is going to be dropping today, actually. But literally, for the past couple of months, I've been telling y'all to enter, and it's been going as projected. So if you didn't see last week's Bitcoin update, I'm going to drop that in the chat as well. All right, if y'all are watching that, again, I've been talking about it for the past couple months since April. We all videos. If you just found my channel, it's different. But those that's been here, y'all been watching, you go to the crypto playlist on this channel, go to the crypto playlist, and you're gonna see that for about over 2 months, I've been talking about this move here. And I was talking about looking for buys and entering at 61,500, 61,600. And I was saying we could see price come back to 61,700. That's literally what price did. So if y'all was watching here when price was down here in April, y'all could have made a huge return on y'all's investment on Bitcoin. And again, these work on anything with candlesticks. It's Bitcoin. Obviously, this works on gold, forex pairs, future stocks. Does not matter if it has candlesticks. These rules apply. We're going to see how this next candlestick closes, though. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Got a few minutes till the next 15 pops up. How much is a mentorship? It depends what you're trying to do. All the links are in the description. So you go to the YouTube description, all the links are there. But it depends if you're trying to do one-on-one sessions or, of course, it's different prices. But all the prices are attached to the links in the description. If you watch any of my YouTube videos, last 3 minutes, last 2 minutes of my YouTube videos, I go over all the details and specifics. But again, there's the advanced play signal, but you said mentorship. So you're actually trying to learn. The advanced play signal is mainly just signals, and I give y'all key prices for entries and exits. We have exclusive New York live streams that are members only. But you're actually trying to learn. I'll suggest either the course or one-on-one sessions. The course teaches you from start to finish how to read the charts, how to know what direction price is going at all times, how to understand what price is doing at all times, how to identify and mark off these charts. I go over how to enter trades, exit trades, how to scale into trades, how to use risk reward, how to trade news. I go over my buy limit and sell limit strategy. And then on top of that, you get an exclusive Telegram channel where you get every day the New York price watch list, which is me going over possible setups daily, Monday through Friday. We see price do throughout New York session as well as throughout London session. And you also get access to the exclusive New York live stream that lasts for life, right? You can watch the course and view the course from anywhere. And I also do one-on-one sessions. The one-on-one sessions comes with access to the advanced place sitting room. Both the course and one-on-one sessions also comes with access with the group chat. Actually, the advanced place sitting room does as well. So all three of my products come with access to the group chat. The one-on-one sessions come with access with the advanced place sitting room on top of that. And then you get 2 sessions a week. Probably going to be dropping that to one soon, but as of right now, it's still 2 sessions a week. Each session is an hour long, and they're all recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life. So it's definitely a good investment. But yeah, all the stuff's linked in the description and linked in the Instagram bio. Got a new 15 by that. Might see prices going to continue to hold this level as resistance. So G's holding this level as support. And again, last week we rolled this higher high up. Price again struggled to break through this level of traffic to the left, rejected back down, and then this week price started again after Friday pushing back up right here. Failed to hold this level as support, rejected back down, did a huge reversal yesterday. So again, we're still respecting this level as support though, so we are still technically bullish. But if it breaks 2685 is trading level as resistance from support, we could see a possible reversal come to play, especially if it breaks past 2640. And again, we got news popping off today. We got 2 news events. So it's definitely going to be interesting. Again, we just saw a lot of reversals take place yesterday, which is why we didn't take any trades. Same thing with GJ. Beautiful higher highs going up. Got this nice higher high last week with the members. The resistance level, just like with GU. Level and then reverse. Nothing we can do about that. You know what I'm saying? Price is going to retrace. Nothing we can do about that. So again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in so we can break these levels. Like we had volume kick in yesterday when it comes with gold, right? We was catching these buys a week ago with gold, cut this higher high. Again, trade breakdown for this just dropped yesterday. Make sure to check that out. Failed to hold this level as the 3rd chart in a row. All these 3 things doing the same thing. We have a reversal coming to play, right? So now we're about to see if price can break through this level of traffic right here. It is holding as resistance right now, which is a good sign. Yeah, I don't really like how anything else is looking, so let me look at one more chart just to be able to. And no problem, Smokey, I got you. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at your chart, drop in the chat. Make sure to like the live. We got hop in here as well. So let's see. Okay. So we should see some action with this. And the reverse is again. This is one thing I talk about with the members and students behind the scenes. Like, just to put things into perspective, again, we're on the daily time frame. So this is literally from, what was this? A whole week ago, Wednesday last week, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yesterday, today. Price has been chilling right here versus what we saw the week prior to that. We saw a big push up. Right. So again, when there's these levels of traffic, volume to break through those levels. Just like right here, we got this level of traffic to the left. Price pushed down, failed to break it. Tried again. You see all these wicks failed to break it. But then when the volume kicked in, it blew through that level, right? And then it started to consolidate underneath it. Right, so the same thing's taking place right. Just resist this level and create that new higher high, or it's going to push back down. But right now we are technically bullish. We could see some possible buys here if we can break this next level. But again, we're going through the smaller time frame. This is pound off the time is stride. But just hasn't been able to do so yet. So we're going to see if that changes today or not. But the only thing that's actually at the closest to actual entry is gold. We'll see. So let it do its thing for right now. Again, you should never be in a rush to enter any trades. Lorenz, I just responded to your comments you left as well, so make sure to check those out. You don't got to right now, but I just responded to those as well on the that you left on the video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmaker_way_. Just posted a couple of videos. Well, I posted a few videos this week. Got a few more I got to edit up for today and tomorrow as well. Just dropped a video on YouTube for y'all yesterday. Breaking down this gold trade, not this one, but breaking down the gold trade me and the members took last week. This nice move. Which one? It was this one right here. Nice 1-to-5 risk reward ratio. So basically, this means that whenever we risked, we made 5 times that amount if we held this entire position. So versus $100, I made $500. Versus $1,000, I made $5,000 off this one trade alone. So make sure to check out my most recent video for in-depth trade breakdown of that. Also, make sure to check out the playlist, the trade breakdown. There's over 60 videos of back-to-back trade breakdowns from start to finish, various situations, various cycles and charts from buys, sells, all that good stuff. Metals, futures, indices, forex pairs. Make sure to check that out. And all those are trades. Obviously, I take it as well as majority, if not all of those trades, are also signals that I took and called out in the master signal room as well. As far as how we're doing this week, it's a pretty slow week, but we are still up for the week, which is the ultimate goal. We took one trade this week as far as signals is concerned, and that was on Tuesday. We hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. We only took one trade as far as signals concerned. That was we took this actually on the London session live as well this day on Tuesday. Caught TP4, 32 pips caught. That's the only trade we're taking this week because again, Monday we had holidays. Then we took a trade Tuesday, and then yesterday price was pretty much dead on reversing all day, so there's nothing we can really do there. And of course, today's Thursday. Didn't take any trades last night because again, price was just consolidating and reversing all last night as well. So we'll see what takes place during London session, and then of course during New York session, before and after the news. We got 2 news events in the beginning of New York, and then we got a couple tomorrow as well. What I see about gold, we're bearish right now, so I'm looking for sell setups as of now. And price could continue to hold 23.38 as resistance. We could see sells going down to 23.18 and then possibly 2300, but not really consider buys unless it breaks above and starts holding 23.74 as support. Yeah, but we're looking for sells right now. New 5-minute just popped up. No problem. Just like you go out. See what that's about. Certainly with Ian, we went for that sell, but ever since that sell, again, it was Monday, Tuesday, price did that drop. Then you see yesterday and today, price has just been chilling, stuck at this resistance, which is a good sign, but again, it's been struggling, just a lack of volume. Again, all this week is just patient waiting for volume, the next move. What's going on, Zealous? Open trading, PL positive. Always, always, always. When you stick to these rules and stay consistent, it's damn near impossible. Like I said, I dropped a video the other day. Hold that thought. U15 just popped up. DJ's pushing back up. Try to see if we can hold this low at supports. I don't understand why TradingView's been doing this lately. Like usually it'll let me drag my alerts, but sometimes it'll glitch and it's like it doesn't want to move. And it's not for me putting the settings to keep it in place. It just be bugging out sometimes. It messes me up sometimes because sometimes I move it, but then it switches back and then I miss a setup. So, that's why I always get to double check. But we're about to see if it's going to break back above this level or not. That's what we're about to see. If it does, we got that alert. All right, so let's see what gold does right here. If I like what I see, we might jump in on this. There's only a couple settings I kind of like right now, but the closest one to a possible entry point is gold right here. It's been retesting. We've been watching and just waiting to see if it's going to be able to hold this level as support. As resistance. That's what we've really been chilling, watching, and waiting for. I do like what I see, but as you can see, well, never mind. Well, you kind of see it in real time how it's like flipping back and forth. I thought I was about to spike to the downside. I was going to go, oh, never mind, but it's still, you know what I'm saying, trying to get his life together. I figure out, what I like and don't like, I guess. If you guys got any questions, you already know, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. I was just talking to a member yesterday during a one-on-one session, and they were talking about, we was figuring out while they're, taking trades and stuff, and they're just asking about my mindset. I was talking about, patience aspect, right? And, they're like, sometimes I struggle with, being patient. I'm like, this is my mindset behind it. If I'm going to put my hard-earned money into the markets and on the line, I want to be damn near 100% positive and sure price is going to do what I'm looking for. And the best way to be almost 100% positive and sure price is going to do what you're looking for is by following the rules I put in place, going with the flow of price, of course, waiting for confirmations. Those are the best ways to do it. Because again, when you do that, you literally have everything going in your favor. You go for buy strictly in the uptrend, you have the momentum of price going in your favor. And then on top of that, if you enter that on the hold that thought, because price is like, hold on. Whenever I start get to talking, you're teaching the price like to try to sneak up. So you hold that thought. Every 1 second, y'all. I'm writing this trade idea up. I can't talk and type. Well, I can, but I'll end up talking what I'm typing and typing what I'm talking. Yeah, so just give me 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, I like this right here, though. So we might jump in this in a second. Got EN popping up. So let me see what EN is talking about. Yeah, still just trying to figure this life out. Yeah, I don't like anything else right now. might jump in this in a second. Make sure to hit that first link. Y'all join a free center and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. I'm going to pull up in a second to go over that, but pay attention to these charts really quick. There's a certain price on them. Yeah, like this. So again, if you can hold this as resistance at 2336, we can see sales continue down to 2318, possible 2300. Again, we was going for buys last week on or 2 weeks ago, right? We rode this higher high up. It was like we were riding these buys up, and then price fell to hold us all that support. And again, you watch my videos on support resistance, that's what's needed, or you watch my videos how to identify reversals or the trend. This is the sign right here. Price failed to hold this level. Reversal came into play. Price didn't push back above and hold us at support. The price would have pushed back up here and held this level at support. We could have saw the bullish momentum come back into play. But the support level got started trading as resistance again. And instead of seeing a higher high, what do we see? We saw a low, lower high into possible lower low. But the lower low is going to be in play if it can break this level of traffic. And again, with these levels of traffic, it takes some volume to break through these levels. Again, there are some times where price can break these levels without volume, but again, when you see price struggling, what kicks in, right? Rejected, but once the volume kicked in, broke through that level. Once the volume kicked in, broke through that level, right? Failed to break this level, volume kicked in, broke through that level. Right, we see the same thing with GJ. We saw this with GJ multiple times actually. Let's go and make a chart while we break this stuff down. Let's get rid of all this. All right, like we had price struggle to break this level, rejected, tried again, rejected. Line came in, broke through that level, but you see price started consolidating here again, right? But it didn't break through this level until what? Volume kicked in. You know what I'm saying? We see examples like this all the time. It doesn't matter the chart. See this all the time on any chart, any time frame. We see similar things. Okay, where's my levels? Bugging out. Okay, my computer's just bugging out. There it goes. Got about 3 minutes to the next 15 pops up. I mean, the next 5-minute pops up. Well, technically both. Again, we see GJ pushing back up, so we're going to see if we can break and hold this low as support. Because we are still technically bullish as of now. The GJ can hold 199.30, 199.35 as support. We can look for buys going to 199.90, possibly as high as 260. That's what we're looking for right here. Got the this week's Bitcoin update dropping later on today. Be on the lookout for that. Dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. If y'all didn't check that out, make sure to check that out. Playlists are up to date. Everything's up to date. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free student free Telegram. Make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis in there. Again, a lot of stuff slowly going as projected. If you go to May 1st, you'll see how we did last month. Went 4-0 last week. We're 1-0 this week. So far, you scroll to May 1st, you'll see how we did last month. And just like you see on your screen, went 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate. Caught a total of 47,957 pips. And as far as how we're doing so far this year, quarter one, we went 20-0 January. February went 17-1. March went 16-3. January, we caught 37,620 pips. February, we caught 24,403. And then March, we caught 49,783 pips. In the quarter, 53-4, gives us a 93% win rate. All 3 months combined, we caught a total of 111,806 pips. It's been a great week great year so far. So GJ is pushing up. So we're about to see if we can hold this level as support or not. Let's see what else we got going on right here. Gold's still trying to figure his life out of range. Now it's still holding this low as support. I'm not going to pull the trigger on a buy here. We could look for a buy here, but I'd much rather wait to see if it could hold 18,750 as support, to be honest. But it is still technically bullish here, especially if we can hold this low as support here at 18,615, 18,600. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. Want to look at any charts? Drop in the chat. Make sure to like the live too, y'all. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at where we at right now. Where we at right now? Let's see where we at. My phone. We're almost at 2,400 subscribers. We can get to that easily. So we'll see GJ pushing up again, I personally like to wait to see a confirmation. Now, if GJ starts flying and special breaks this level here, that's a little bit different. But I'd much rather wait for it to hold this level as support than push up. But again, we are still bullish. As we can see, price did that big ass reversal down all Tokyo session, but still respecting this level of support and pushing up. And before that is again, because we're bullish still, and again, before our support level can be turned to resistance, has to break that level and then change the trend. So again, this is why we follow the flow of price. But this is nothing to get excited about just yet. That's kind of doing a similar move right there. Again, at 8:30 and 10 o'clock, we got what do we got? We got unemployment claims, prelim GDP, and then 10 a.m. we got pending home sales. Going live with the members. I gotta double check my schedule to see if it's going to be 8:30 or 10 o'clock. But tomorrow we're going to be going live during the 8:30 news. All right, y'all. So again, we got the new 15 about to pop up. We're about to see if GJ can hold this level as support. Members, be on the lookout for the link and the time for when we're going to be going live during the New York news. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all, and hit that first link, join the free signal free Telegram. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can message me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. Be interested in the signal rooms, learning how to identify these levels, how I read the charts or mentorship programs. All links are in the description. Watch any of YouTube videos. The last 2 minutes goes over all the details on my programs. Looks like GJ's still trying to push. Gold's kind of chilling still. And again, I got the Bitcoin update video dropping later on today during New York, so I should be on the lookout for that. Just dropped the video yesterday for y'all, and I got another video dropping for y'all tomorrow, also on Friday. So make sure to have y'all's notifications on. Make sure to have the bell on. And yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.